How to know if your watermelons are ready. A lot of people go off of this color of the underside. This has been flipped over. You can see the soil it was growing in. You see this little curly here that the melon is attached to. It's a big one. When this thing is brown all the way down to the vine, it's ready. I would say this one still has maybe a day or two to go. If you get watermelon seeds from us, that's how they look when they're ripe. Here's one that's completely ripe. It's got some good color on the bottom. And this is its curly right there. And that's quite brown. It's got a little green on the tip, but that's ready.